Welcome back to Star Biker, your go-to destination for all things two-wheeled. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2025 Honda ADV160, a scooter that blends everyday practicality with rugged adventure capabilities. If you're looking for a machine that's as comfortable in city traffic as it is on dusty trails, this one's worth a closer look. Engine and performance. The 2025 ADV160 is powered by a refined 156.9 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. It now meets the latest emission standards while delivering around 16 horsepower and 14.7 Newton-meters of torque. Smooth, efficient, and punchy enough for urban commuting and light touring, it's built for versatility. Design and styling. Honda continues its bold ADV styling with sharp edges, high ground clearance, and a rugged front fascia. The updated LED headlamps, smoked windshield, and angular body panels give it a modern, aggressive stance. It's not just a scooter, it's a statement. Comfort and features. With its wide seat, upright riding position, and long travel suspension, the ADV160 promises comfort on all kinds of roads. Key features include a digital instrument cluster, USB charging port, Honda's smart key system, and a larger under-seat storage area, perfect for your daily essentials. Safety and handling. Honda has equipped the ADV160 with a dual-channel ABS and Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, enhancing safety in unpredictable conditions. The frame is lightweight yet sturdy, paired with dual-purpose tires to keep you confident on both pavement and gravel. Conclusion: should you buy it? If you're after a scooter that goes beyond city streets, the 2025 Honda ADV160 is a strong contender. It's practical, feature-rich, and has just enough adventure DNA to set it apart. Stay tuned to Star Biker for more updates and reviews on the latest rides. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ride safe and ride smart.